Hey guys, welcome back to Authentic Food Creations. Thank you for clicking on another video. If you are new, welcome, and please take a moment and hit that subscribe button so that you can join our AFC family. Click the notification bell so you don't miss another video. And be sure to follow us on Instagram at authentic_food_creations. So today, I'm bringing you my Create Your Own Flavor Challenge video. I'm hosting this challenge in conjunction with Leslee over at Midlife and Nailing It. And again, we were excited to bring this challenge to you guys as we are all quarantined and cooking more. We thought it would be a good idea to see what we could come up with for out-of-the-box flavors and meals to help each other out and inspire everyone while we're all cooking more at home. So the rules to the challenge are really simple. We're asking that you mention both Leslee and mine's channels as the host participants for the challenge. Be sure to link our channels in the description box of your video. There will be a playlist linked below for you to add your video to. And just be sure to tag someone else to participate in this challenge so we can keep it going and get some awesome ideas out of it. Don't forget, the only caveats are you cannot use taco seasoning, ranch flavored seasoning, canned soup, or chicken base or bouillon. Other than that, the world is yours when it comes to flavors. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into my creation, which is going to be some cornbread stuffed pork chops. So I'm starting out with simply making some boxed cornbread stuffing mix. I opted to use this because I did have it on hand from around Thanksgiving and I wanted to use it up. Otherwise, I would say fresh cornbread, maybe about a day old, and you can add in any like extras, green onion, maybe some additional like corn, anything that you'd like to add, and then you can stuff it with that as well. But I opted to use this because I wanted to go ahead and use it. And all I did with the cornbread stuffing was follow the instructions on the box. As I moved on to my pork chops, you see me here, I have four roughly about 1 inch thick pork chops, and I'm cutting slits in the middle so that I can create the opening for my stuffing. And then once I do that, I have a seasoning blend of steak seasoning, garlic powder, or rather granulated garlic, onion powder, pepper, salt, and parsley. And then I'm going to sprinkle that inside of the opening as well as season both sides of my pork chops before stuffing them. Don't forget when seasoning meats like this, guys, we want to make sure that in addition to seasoning the top sides, you want to get, you know, those hard to reach edges and crevices to ensure that the flavor is all around the pork chop. So that's all I'm doing here, just making sure I get to those places that the seasoning did not naturally fall on. And then I'm pulling out some of my stuffing. You can see I didn't want to cross-contaminate, so I put what I was going to use to stuff the pork chops on a plate, and then I proceeded to use my hands to go ahead and stuff each of the pork chops. Once I stuff them, I'm just going to put them in a hot pan to sear on both sides before putting them in the oven. Once the pork chops were seared on both sides, I simply added 1 cup of water, and then I added some chopped onion to my gravy, and then I put it in a preheated 400-degree oven to bake for roughly about 30 to 40 minutes. And here I'm just adding the rest of my cornbread stuffing on top. I didn't have anything else to do with this, but you can always save this or freeze it and reheat it later if you don't want the added stuffing as a part of your dish. It's not absolutely necessary, but again, I personally just didn't have anything else to do with this, so I decided to add it to the gravy with those onions and just add that as a part of the dish. And once mine was done, I just served it alongside some vegetable rice and some veggies. So this is the final product. This was delicious, and I hope you guys will give it a try. To continue the challenge, I am tagging recipes with Risa to create your own flavor, and I look forward to seeing what you come up with, Risa. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.